Sobrang cute niya!
Ito na nga yung nagtatrending na slab cake from Lens Bazaar, Qatar. Finally, matatry ko din siya. Ito yung size niya, 11 by 7 by 5. For the toppings, available ang ubi halaya, cheese, leche flan, yema, or dual.
Ito yung slab cake nila. And then kapag nag-order kayo, mag-message lang kayo kay Lens Bazaar, Qatar. May kasama na siyang candle. And customized na dedication. Of course, pang slice.
Pagdating naman sa lasa, proven and tested ko na at talagang hindi ako mapapahiyang i-recommend yung cake nila. Kasi sa bawat bite, lasang-lasa mo talaga yung cream cheese at saka authentic ubi flavor niya. Hindi siya nakakaumay, sakto lang yung sweetness. For only 199 reals, good for 20 packs. Perfect siya for birthdays, office celebration, family gatherings, or kahit gusto mo lang mag-dessert. Wait, hindi po siya ang my birthday. Yung mommy po niya may birthday. For your reservation mga kadawabels, mag-message lang kayo sa number ni Lens Bazaar, Qatar. Because your celebration deserve a genuine Pinoy love, not just a cake. So ayun lang muna mga kadawabels. Thank you for watching, for the love and support.
Thank you, Lens Bazaar, Qatar!
Thank you po!